Hey everybody, picked up me a new toy. Just got done putting that all together. Now I'm getting bored. Can't wait to play with that one. So I got me this. As far as I can tell, it's a 1987 clodbuster. Picked up a new ESC servo. I'm just going to keep the standard steering for it. Have the Chevy emblem in the back. Probably change the chrome out. I'm a chrome guy. Paint, everything looks good. Couple touch-up paint there, which I picked up some paint for it. Got the bow tie in the front. All the emblems. Got the little Chevy in the back. Painted under here too. Pretty good paint job actually. Buff it out. I think I'm just going to try to buff it out. Got some old servos. Got the old ESC mechanical. Can't have that. Extra parts. Battery tray. Or servo tray. Frame looks good. Does not have the recycle the battery on it. On off. Recycle's not on this side either. Power and economy. That's cool. It's just dirty. I'll clean it all up. Came with the tires. Yeah, look like the dry rotted to me. I don't know if I want to paint them or maybe I'll get chrome ones. Like I said, I like chrome. They look pretty good. Found me my old controller that I don't use anymore, so I figured it'd be good for this and a receiver. Got the old motors on there. I got to get one of these. Broke for the shock mount. That's in the mail. Everything else looks pretty good. Take them all apart, clean them all up, re-grease them. Got a bunch of bolts, nuts, and screws. Got the bearing kit for it. Got an old battery here. I don't know if that's any good. I think these were for the cab lights maybe, or the front lights. I don't know. Came with a charger. I got my own charger, but I wonder if this battery's any good. It'd be cool if it was. That's the controller it came with. Little battery pack again, so yeah. Can't wait to get playing with it. Wow. 87. I remember them. Those some good old days back then. So yeah, this is my new project. I'll keep you guys informed. Probably start working on it once I get a couple more pieces. Alright, you guys take care out there. Bye.